This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 75 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're continuing the hand that we were doing last time, just doing a couple of fingers this time. Next time, we'll be finishing it off. But first of all, we're going to look at home video, second life of the series, VHS, DVD, and Blu-ray. I've got it on DVD somewhere. But, yeah. Some of the first episodes on VHS. That's very strange. There we go. Until recently, it hadn't appeared on Blu-ray. Yeah. Still resisting the advance of streaming. Okay. Robocop TV series 2021. Recently. Well, 5 years ago, 4 years ago. But yeah. There we go. So the left hand, this is what we're doing. We've got some parts, the back of the left hand, and some fingers to do. Yeah, basically building up a couple of the fingers to begin with. Not doing anything else with them as yet, but we'll get there very soon. And then it will look like that if we were to put them in place. Right, Metal Citizens. Rights and obligations of robots. Okay, have they have rights and obligations? I don't know, it's strange. Waiters, yeah, doing carrying jobs works well for them. Why not? And avatar robots. Yeah, I've seen that on a TV show. Very strange, but probably the way it's going to go. So that will do us for now. I'll clear this out of the way and we'll get these fingers built. Right, so I have the parts from last time, the thumb and the main palm of the hand from last time. So I'll keep that aside because we're not using that yet anyway. Today we've got the back of the hand, which has got magnet look like that for the back plate. And we've got two fingers. I've put them in the correct order because these are different. Not sure exactly how they're different, but they are different. So we've got to use all the same screws for these, the RP screws. We're going to need 2 for each finger, I believe. So there's 4 out. There's 1 left in there, which we spare. We've got the springs, which are used on these fingers. Some sort of tensioning something. So let's get those out of there. I don't know if there'll be a spare spring. 2 and 2. No. Yes, an extra spring. There's 2 stuck together there over there as well. So we'll have 1 over there, 1 over there. I'll keep 1 safe, just in case it's needed. And these go together just the same as all the other fingers do. Those 2 bits pop together. Just like that. Just like that, honest. There we go. That this is the middle piece, which goes into that piece like that. A screw and a spring. The spring goes into the hole. I can pick it up. The spring, yeah, we'll go all the way through, except for obviously not out the other side. Let's get that lined up in there. Like that. And then the screw will go in through the middle of the spring. And we'll tighten up against the outside of that. Just like that. That gives us tensioning into that finger. And then that bit does exactly the same thing onto there. The right way round, so it all matches up, looks good. Again, the spring through the middle there. And the screw through the middle of the spring. And then that will tighten up through there as well. So there we go. One finger done, all articulated as it should be. Tighten that down a little bit more. There we go. All good. That's that. Let's do that again on the other one. So we'll get that in the middle of that. Spring through there. Come on, spring through there. That's it. And then screw through the spring. Good. That one in. Like that. Get this snapped together like the other one. There we go. And then that will go on there. Again, it only fits in properly one way round. It only sort of lines up the one way around. Spring in there as well. Eventually. That spring not liking that going in there. Strange. Come on, one more try. If you don't like it, then I'm going to swear at you a lot and do it off camera. Going through the outside hole there, is that a little bit unfinished? Widen that a little bit, see how that works. I'm still not liking that. Okay. There must be a rough edge on there somewhere that's just preventing that. So I'll get that tidied up, and then obviously that will be affixed on there as well. And then we're good to go. So that's it for this issue. Next time, join me for our last two fingers and getting the hand put together. So that'll be a little bit more involved next time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.